now with the tributes coming in from all over the world for Carrie Fisher on the anniversary of her death.
Yeah, the hashtag Carry On Forever trending on Twitter, pouring in by the hundreds every hour. And ABC's Diane Macedo is here with more. Good morning to you, Diane.
It's hard to believe it's been a year since Carrie Fisher passed away at the age of 60, and both fans and friends are sharing their remembrances online. Laura Dern, her co-star in the latest Star Wars movie, The Last Jedi, calls her a goddess, an icon, and a truth teller, the deepest kind of inspiration. Her friend William Shatner posted a photo of the two of them together with a crying emoji. And one of the most touching tributes comes from Carrie Fisher's daughter, Billie Lourd, who posted this photo on Instagram beneath the northern lights, saying her mom had another worldly obsession with them. And she concluded with the message, "I love you times infinity." Carrie's on-screen brother in Star Wars, Mark Hamill, who played Luke Skywalker, is also remembering his co-star, tweeting, "No one's ever really gone. Hashtag always with us." And he's sharing some photos of the two of them together, both from the original Star Wars movie and the newest film, The Last Jedi. And not to be outdone, Carrie Fisher's beloved pup, Gary, he's even posting on Instagram saying, "Miss you more than ever," along with the hashtag Gary misses mom. And they, of course, traveled everywhere together. And for those of you who didn't stick around for the end credits of the new movie, The Last Jedi, tiny spoiler here, the filmmakers also pay a touching tribute to her with the words, "In loving memory of our princess, Carrie Fisher."
I missed that.
I did too.
I did as well, but it's nice to see that they did that. And what a great role to go out on, such a powerful role playing General Leia.
I feel like fans really got closure from that movie with Carrie Fisher.
Absolutely.
Right? Thanks so much, Diane.